With 81% of the population engaged in rain-fed subsistence farming for food and cash income, the country's reliance on rain-fed agriculture remains a risk to economic growth, income of farmers, as well as export earnings. With this trend, most farmers find it hard to boost their businesses due to lack of a reasonable credit market, which denies them a chance to acquire loans from banks. In this, General Kale Kayihura, the former Inspector General of Police, retired, who resorted to now farming, has asked the government to find means of creating a reasonable market for long-lasting duration.
The option is how many production? Nima. Well, I'm in commercial agriculture, mixed farming. There are challenges. Farming is good, but the problem is, maybe I use this chance to also complain. The problem is we don't have the credit market, the banks don't have facilities for us. Because the money that they lend is for traders, not for producers. Because you can't give me a loan and you want me to pay it in 6 months or even a year for starting a banana plantation, which takes 3 years to get a bunch of banana.
He says commercial agriculture involves a high level of marketing because of its duration, which makes it hard to repay loans in a short period.
Look for contact. So they don't give you now. They expect you to now. This is about 4 years, really, to be on the market, to market your matoke. Yet, I'm supposed to pay this loan within. If I'm lucky, they give me 6 months. 6 months for traders, not for producers, not for farm, even producers. We are trying to go into value addition, but there is no support.
He adds that the government has provided alternatives to wealth creation, which he appreciates, like PDM, but it only favors traders and low-income earners.
No, but the government programs are targeting, for example, PDM is targeting the lowest, the peasants, to try and bring them into the market economy. Because, for instance, they have started with the 1 million household, and even that cannot. It's not everybody that is benefiting. But you cannot talk about that PDM for value addition. No, that's a different thing. Yeah. But the government has started very well so as to really emancipate the masses, get the masses out of poverty. But without this, us who are in value addition, the program will not achieve its objectives.
General Kayihura also lauded the late Aranda for the strategic interventions like building the police institution.
The police, we remember when we organized the centenary celebrations of the police, you saw how his leadership enabled us to organize such a huge function. And obviously also building the institution of the police, as well as the other agencies under the Ministry of Internal Affairs. So obviously he's left a legacy, and rightly that's why UPDF is celebrating him.
Serena Naguja.
These guys who come to Parliament, they just come to talk about their own personal interests. They never talk about the difficulties that we have. Yes.